back to my channel. So today it's pretty simple. I'm just going to do the watercolor method to dye this hair. And first I'm just going to fill up the bucket with water, and I use warm water from the sink. Some people use boiling water, but I just found like warm water works fine. And I'm going to use the door dye in titanium, and it looks like silver. The bottle looks silver, but it comes out purple, which makes sense because, like, you know, when you use purple shampoo, it like gets the hair more ashy, whatever. So I guess this works. So yeah, I'm just basically pouring all of the first bottle in, and then I'm just gonna mix it around. Like, I just use what is it called? A comb, the end of the comb, like a rat tail comb. Just mix it all around. And you want to make sure you do this. It looks so fun. Like, I wish I could just watercolor hair every day because it's really actually just so fun. And I really just don't know what I'm doing. So yeah, I'm just showing y'all what I did to get the color. And this hair is from Supernova Hair, and it's their 613 wig. I believe it's in 22 inches. I could be wrong. I believe it's in 22 inches though. And yeah, it comes with a elastic band, some instructions, and a wig cap. So yeah, you have the full package basically if you want to do your wig. And I got the body wave texture, so this is what it looks like right there. It looks really nice out of the pack. It was really soft. It was just really nice, you know? And yeah, I'm starting to get like wigs now instead of like constructing myself. So yeah, I just went and brushed the hair out. I just feel like, for some reason, I just, in my head, I feel like it works better, but I don't know. I feel like it works better because, like, no clumps and, like, you just, all the hair is just brushed in. But then I'm just going to start with dipping the hair in, like, the frontal first, because I want that to be the darkest. And yeah, dip that out, and then, I don't know, this grayish color just takes a while. I feel like I would get actually 3 bottles if I was going to do this again. So if you're going to do this, I suggest getting 3 bottles for the, like, how long the hair is. And then I'm just going to dunk it in the rest of the hair and just try to disperse all of the product, all the dye. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And don't forget to check out the links to the hair. It'll be in the description box, of course. And I'm probably going to be doing other videos, like vlogging videos, like back to school videos. But I really like this hair color because, I don't know, it's really nice. It's something different. And then I went in and with another, like the other bottle, because I just didn't like how the hair just, I don't know, it wasn't like dark enough in all of the places, like all of the spots did not get dyed. So then I went in again and did the same exact thing. And like you can see, like the water starts to turn less, like, I don't know, purple when the dye is getting soaked up by the hair, which is so cool. That's so dope. And I would suggest like getting less water. I've actually like filled it up a little bit too much, so I feel like the dye was like a little bit more diluted than what it had to be. So if you want to do that, then just, you know, put less water. And that's what it looked like after the first time. As you can see, it's still pretty blonde. And then I'm just gonna dunk it in again. And this time it was way better. I could have done a third time because the frontal was like more purpley and like the rest of the hair was like really gray. But it was fun. Like, I actually liked it. So yeah. You're just going to try to get to the best, like, all the hair cover, all the spots covered as best as you can. I do suggest 3 bottles of the door dye. And the door dyes really work well for the watercolor method, so if you want to try to do this, it's really simple, really easy. Just go for it. It's really not hard at all. It's kind of fun. Like, it reminds me of kindergarten every time, like, I do this of, like, tie-dyeing shirts and, like, just doing fun arts and crafts stuff, so I really like it. And then I'm just going to go in with the ICY Moist Conditioner. And I think I use shampoo too. But I just wash the hair out. So we can just like wash all the dye. And also just to wash the wig in general. Because when you get your wigs, you should wash them first. And yeah. And basically I just simply wash the hair. I don't know. I'm no professional. So as you can tell, like, I'm just doing what I think works and what has worked for me. So yeah. And then I just went ahead and applied the wig, and you're gonna see like the finished result and like how it looks in my head. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know anything else you want to see. Don't forget to check out the links to the hair, they'll be down below. So this is Dallas from the future, but basically I went in again and watercolored the hair one more time. I only used one more dye, the titanium Adore dye, and I like the color way better now. Like, it's more even. It's still like an ombre type purpley at the top, because for some reason like the frontal dyes more than the actual hair. So yeah, I really like this icy hair. Like, this is the color that I went for, and I just went in and straightened it. And yeah, this is basically how it turned out. I hope you guys like it, because I really do. I love this color on me. I love how like the dye turned out, even though like it's not very even. It's very just, I don't know, like it's really gray and like also purple. So yeah. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. This is how the hair came out. I went and dyed it another time, like with the titanium dye, and I watercolored it. And yeah, it's kind of like an ombre type, like kind of pretty like purplish icy, and then going like to a more ashy gray, which I really like this like color. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see any more videos, then don't forget to subscribe. So like, comment, turn on the post notifications so you get notified every time I post a video. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.